Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're taking a look at the MagG C6OA6W, one of the best 60% mechanical gaming keyboards out there. It's sleek, compact, and perfect for both gaming and daily use. We'll cover its features, pros, and cons, so let's get started. Product features: compact and portable design. This keyboard comes in a 60% layout with 68 keys, making it more compact than standard keyboards while still keeping important functions like arrow keys and the function row. It's ideal for gamers, programmers, or anyone working with limited desk space or on the go. Smooth and quiet red switches. Equipped with linear red mechanical switches, the keyboard offers a quiet, smooth keystroke with fast response times. This makes it an excellent option for both competitive gamers who want quick action and office users who prefer quieter typing. Customizable blue LED backlighting. The MagG C6 doesn't just work great, it looks great too. It features 15 different blue LED lighting modes that you can customize to match your setup or mood. Adjusting brightness and lighting speed is super simple, adding a touch of personalization to your keyboard. Full anti-ghosting. Thanks to full anti-ghosting, every keystroke is accurately registered, even when you press multiple keys simultaneously. That's crucial for fast-paced gaming, where missing a single command can mean the difference between winning or losing. Durable and ergonomic build. The double-shot keycaps are built to last, resisting fading and wear over time. The keyboard also includes adjustable kickstands, letting you set the angle for a more comfortable typing experience. Plus, the black, gray, red color scheme gives it a sleek, modern look. Pros: space-saving 60% layout with essential keys still included. Smooth, quiet red switches for gaming and office use. Multiple customizable LED lighting modes. Durable keycaps and ergonomic typing angle. Anti-ghosting ensures every key registers. Wide compatibility and easy plug-and-play setup. Cons: no dedicated number pad. Limited LED color, blue only, no RGB. Might take time to adjust if you're used to full-size layouts. Final thoughts. The MagG C6OA6W is a fantastic option if you're in the market for a compact mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on performance. With its smooth red switches, anti-ghosting capability, and stylish backlighting, it hits the mark for both gamers and professionals. Whether you're optimizing your desk space, building a portable setup, or just want a solid, budget-friendly keyboard, this model is absolutely worth considering. Check the price link in the description to get the latest deal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts or questions in the comments, and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.